Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin, bakit daw hindi nagtutuloy-tuloy yung registration nila sa LiveGood if they're using their BPI account? Because of that, I decided to do this video which will show you how to use your BPI card for LiveGood. Are you ready? Okay. First and foremost, kailangan mong mag-log in sa iyong BPI online application. Once you've logged in, hanapin mo lang yung burger button na tinatawag o yung tatlong line na makikita mo sa lower right-hand side ng screen mo. Click on that. At yan yung makikita mo sa screen. Piliin mo lang yung card control. Once you click on the card control, yan naman yung makikita mo sa screen mo. Piliin mo lang kung anong card yung gagamitin mo, kung yung debit card mo ba or yung credit card mo. Once na napili mo lang, pindutin mo lang yung setting ng corresponding card na gagamitin mo. Oh, by the way, to determine kung MasterCard ba o Visa card yung card mo, tignan mo lang dun sa lower right-hand side ng card mo. Pag may dalawang bilog yon, MasterCard yon. Pag may nakasulat na Visa, Visa card yon. Okay, so let's continue. After clicking the settings, mapupunta ka rito, hanapin mo lang yung international access, e-commerce access, tsaka e-commerce sublimit. Lahat yan nakatoggle off by default. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-on mo lang sila isa-isa. Pag na-on mo na sila, and then you save the changes you've made on your settings. Baka hingan ka ng verification ng BPI app mo by putting in your PIN code or your password. Gawin mo lang yon para magtuloy-tuloy yung pag-save mo dun sa changes na ginawa mo. So, after doing that, ready na yung BPI account mo to be used for your LiveGood. Oh, by the way, marami tayong tutorial na available for you para mag-guide kayo in doing your LiveGood business. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my Facebook page, Coach Mon Reyes, or even my YouTube channel. Coach Mon Reyes lang din po ang hahanapin nyo. Remember to like, subscribe, and always follow for updates. Okay, with that, sana po nakatulong tong video na to sa paggawa nyo ng LiveGood business nyo, and I'm rooting for your success. This is Coach Mon Reyes saying thank you. Bye-bye.